Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffering here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host to the GrokStar Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Well, here we have a trade this morning on SRPT. SRPT Therapeutics. They had a downgrade and they were down about 10%. And then what did it do? It bounced up and did a bear pullback or a pullback sell. And then it did another really big one here. So I told folks, hey, if it breaks this $34 level, I want it to be short. So we had an order ready to go. Oh, if you want to know more about the pullback sell, just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com to our free chart school. Pullback sell, also known as a bear pullback. Here's a description of it. Here's what it looks like, where it runs down and then pulls up to a line of resistance and then rolls down because it is a bearish formation. Maybe that's why we call it a bear pullback. So here it ran down. It came up here to this line of resistance, which happens to be the 8 EMA. And it's getting ready to break down. Let's see what happened next. Bam! Look at that. Can you believe that? And I got filled at 33.93 is where my order got filled at on that drop. And let's see what happened after that. It's pulling down nicely, nicely, nicely. Now this 8 EMA, again, had been resistance up here. Let's see if it's going to be resistance now. But while it's hanging down here, I'm going to go ahead and take out half at $33.51 for 1.2%. Protect some of my profits. And then, oh, it shot up here. It did go above it, but didn't close above the 8 EMA. And so now look at that. Now another bear pullback starting to form here. I'm getting excited now, and phew, don't get excited. What happens? It popped up and closed above it, and I'm out at $33.72 for 0.6% on the second half. So from our first half, from here down to here, plus the second half out right here, was for 0.9% in 12 minutes. Well, let's see what happened after that. It just kind of took off here, and that $34 was support here, and now what is now resistance, and it turned back down. In fact, it kept doing, look at this, it did it several times, and we traded it several times today. Bear pullback, and then on this one we got caught because it didn't fall any further. It actually didn't fall, so we had a higher swing low. Well, these are the kind of trades that we're doing in that GrokStar room, and you're welcome to join us 30 days for free. Just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com, do our chat room page, and down below is where you can sign up for a free 30-day trial. Hey, and you don't even need a credit card. Also this weekend, we have our 301 3-day immersion mentoring training, and I'm going to be leading it, and Des will also be participating as well. So if you'd like to join us this weekend, just go to the mentoring page by clicking this button right here, and on the mentoring page it describes the program as well as the benefits of it, and here just fill out this form, hit submit, and we'll give you a call to see if it's appropriate for you to be in that 3-day mentoring training. This is Mark the Meerkat Suffering. Just remember that anything can happen. After the events of yesterday in Boston and the market took off, I mean, no one would have known that could have predicted that event, and nor the reaction that the market would have. So you need to be prepared for anything to happen. Trade well.